you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everybody, it is Farmhand Mike bringing you another exciting Harvest 2020 video. This one coming to you from the Bradford, Illinois area. I am out here in the field with a local farm that just purchased this new versatile 460 tractor with 1400 LSW tires from Anderson Enterprises out of Annawan, Illinois, and it is pulling a J&M 1112 grain cart. And that is one good looking tractor and grain cart, and that's all I got to say about that. Anyways, running beside that tractor and grain cart is a New Holland 9080 combine with a 12-row folding Geringhoff corn head. I got out here just before dark. It was quite windy. It was just a little bit on the cold side, but they are harvesting some non-GMO corn here that had a little bit of wind damage. The corn is yielding well. I got lots of good aerial shots, a few on the ground shots, even got some footage from inside the cab of the combine. Versatile four-wheel drive tractors are built in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. There's two frame sizes of tractors. The 460 is the largest of the small frame four-wheel drives built by Versatile. There's four different models in this frame size here, starting at a 380, a 405, a 430, and the 460 you see here. These are powered with a Cummins 12-liter diesel engine. After the 460, you move up to the HHT high horsepower tractors, which is a larger frame powered with a 15-liter Cummins diesel engine. And they start out at 520 horsepower, 570, and 610. You can get the larger size in either a track tractor or a wheeled tractor version. J&M grain carts are built in Fort Recovery, Ohio, and of course if you have been following my YouTube channel, my social media, you know exactly where there's a grain cart that looks just like this being pulled with Versatile tractors. A few weeks before I filmed this video, I went with Anderson Enterprises to deliver this tractor to the farm, and when I was out here talking to the farm, he told me what grain cart he had, and I'm like, yep, I'll definitely be back to do a YouTube video of this tractor and grain cart. This will also be this farm's planting tractor, so probably in spring of 2021, there's a good chance I will be doing a planting video of this very same tractor, so stay tuned for that. that's going to do it for this Harvest 2020 video. Check back to my channel often. Still have a lot of good content from the 2020 season coming. Feel free to hit that like button and comment below. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel. Remember, you can also find me on Instagram and TikTok under Farmhand Mike or at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting my social media.